Hey guys, it's Ronnie at Man Murr. We're here with Stephen. We're going to show you a quick tutorial on hiking boot sole replacement with this sweet new press. We got a tire bladder press that wraps up and around the inside of the boot, and it does a great job. As you'll see, when the pressure goes, it lifts the boot up. The bladder goes back up around the sole, and especially on a cup sole, it works excellent. Very easy to maintain, very easy to work. As you see, as you give it a time frame to let it do its bonding and with the proper adhesives, then that back stem comes up, front stem comes up, boot is removed, and the sole is wrapped around there with complete precision and adhesion. If you'll notice down here on this bottom shelf, there are lasts in all sizes that would accommodate anything from a lady's small size to a man's large size. You put it on a small stem that wraps around, puts the last toe to heel. Then you put it inside the bladder, mash your pressure button. It goes down. The bladder then succumbs around the sole, and after letting your particular type of adhesive work, the boot is ready. And it has been so much easier than any other press that we've owned. This machine is sweet and well worth the money. A lot of time saved and a lot of effort being saved on that without pinching and wrapping around a sole every quarter inch. You just do it in there and it wraps every single piece of the boot.